All right. Let's go, Maria. What are you cooking this time?
Εδώ, onion,
Yes.
parsley,
Yes. Carrot.
sweet potato, carrot.
Where's the sweet potato?
They're red. They're red. They're the same. And bit of zucchini. And all the spices.
Okay, so egg.
Egg.
Bit of vegetable.
Just.
Yeah. Dribble.
Yeah. So. Black pepper.
Yep. So what did you put? Salt?
Salt, oregano, and pepper.
Yep.
And all that. That has to be very fine. Done.
Okay. One sec, hold on. Yep.
Yeah, cream.
Done.
Yeah. To the mince.
So this is, what kind of mince is that?
That's chicken mince.
Chicken mince?
But you can do with any mince you like.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is, instead of breadcrumb, it's a bread. You have to wet it.
Yeah. Why not breadcrumb?
This is more fluffy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're giving it a good mix?
Yeah. You work it 2-3 minutes and then it's okay.
Yep.
That's it.
All right, so that's the mix.
Yeah. And I've got the water boiling. And now I'm going to put some butter.
Chunk of butter, okay.
Yeah.
So what's that? How many grams would that be?
Maybe it will be 20, 30, not even.
30 grams of butter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Instead of oil,
Yeah,
you
okay.
put that.
Okay.
So,
That's
that
it? Wet hands? Or doesn't matter?
doesn't matter. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
And these veggies?
Veggies, it's the same thing. Celery, leek, onion, pumpkin, potato, sweet potato, zucchini.
Okay.
All this.
Cool.
You can put anything there, any veggies you like.
Okay.
You can put some peas, you can put some...
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's whatever you feel like, whatever you've got.
Whatever you've got on your kitchen,
Okay.
on the fridge.
So what else could you do with this mince?
You get the puff pastry,
Yes.
and then you put it in like that.
Like a roll?
One
Square?
square, cut it in half
Yes.
in the long.
Yes,
So
lengthwise.
you put it in and then roll it like a sausage rolls.
Oh, yum. So it's like a chicken veggie sausage roll.
Chicken veggie sausage rolls.
And these are floating?
Yes.
Can you
Soon as-
overcook these?
No,
No.
no,
Okay.
no.
And that butter's melted.
The butter is melted. That's it.
Done. All right, so you've just transferred it to a bigger bowl because you
pot.
just...
And
bigger
I'm
pot,
gonna
sorry.
boil when you do the soup and you think you need some more water. You never put cold water.
Put boiling water.
Boiling water. You don't want to stop the boiling.
Yes, okay.
Yeah. Always have water.
And that's it. That's the chicken
That's
soup
it.
mix.
Yeah.
How long before... Now, this has just gone in, the veggies.
Just
How long
gone in.
will they take to soften up?
Maybe half an hour. In half an hour, I will check.
Okay. And
is.
then you're going to add your egg and lemon mix.
Yes. In the end,
And that just makes it creamy?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And I'll...
Will start boiling because it's stopped now.
Yum. That's good. All right, so it's been cooking half an hour
Yes, exactly.
and the vegetables are softened up.
Yep.
And you've added some cracked pepper, and that's it.
And salt.
And a bit of salt.
I'm gonna measure it. 1, 2, 3. I put 4 tablespoons.
That was 5, I think.
5?
Yep.
Okay. And then I pour some cracker again.
Cracked pepper.
Cracked pepper. Got some oregano too.
So this is just ground oregano that you've made.
That's fresh oregano.
Yeah.
Homemade, yeah. So now I turn
So you're just going to blend this out.
Yeah.
Can you whisk it?
You can whisk it, but it's easier for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It just
And
needs to get
then
creamy, right?
you start pouring water.
Oh, so you're going to
So-
add the soup mix to this
Yeah.
so it doesn't curdle.
Yeah.
It'll just it'll cook the egg. Scrambled
Yes.
egg in the soup.
And I don't like that.
Okay. So you're slowly bringing the egg up to temperature.
Yeah. And then you pour it in there.
Yep.
That's it.
So at the moment it's just a clear broth chicken soup, and this is just adding the egg and lemon with some oregano and pepper. And there you have a creamy chicken soup, chicken and vegetable.
Salt.
It needs salt,
And vinegar. And lemon. Instead of vinegar. I'm going to put it in all of that.
so a bit more lemon.
Yeah, all of them.
Okay.
Because it's too much soup
Yeah.
and salt.
So that was 2 lemons.
2 lemons.
This is probably enough for 4 or 5 people, right?
6 people.
Yeah. What are your thoughts?
Better.
Chicken, vegetable,
That's it.
soup with some lemon and egg to finish. Wonderful. Thanks, Mum.
Bon appetit.